Nano-Metre presents our impact-resistant glove. With TPR sewing on the back of glove and cut liner insider offer 360 degrees full protection in your working environment. EVA part on palm side reduce the vibration risk of injury to your hands. But Nano-Metre Safety Cut Glove featuring high-strength composite Velcro cuff design fits different hands well and prevent glove slip-off. Back of the hand provide maximum cushioning while not impeding hand functioning. Strong fiber composite yarns knitted inside provide great cut resistance for your hands. This glove could avoid crushing, pinching, cut, and puncture hazards make up most of the serious injuries. Let's go outside, see the glove application there. Thank you for visiting our video. Any inquiry or questions, just feel free to contact us.